We're going to have loads of fun as we get some learning done. Learning with Lovie!
Hi everyone! It's me, Lovie the ladybug, and
Mila.
we would like to welcome you to Learning with Lovie! Yes! Today is a super sweet day because we and you are going to have loads of fun as we go to Candyville and as we build a candy house, as we still get some learning done on our shapes. How does that sound, everyone? Like loads of fun? Yes, I think so too. We think so, right, Miss Mila? But first, let's go over our motto here on Learning with Lovie. The 3 L's. Number 1, learn new things. Number 2, laugh a lot. And number 3, love each other. That's right, everyone. Now that we've gone over our motto, are y'all ready to go to Candyville? All right. Now, in order for us to go to Candyville, we're going to have to use a little magic. We're going to need everyone's help out there. And do you remember the magic spell? Do you remember it, Miss Mila? It's learning, loving, laughing. Let's make some magic happen. And remember, the magic, it lies within your heart. So you got to use your heart to make the magic happen. It's from love. That's where the magic happens. All right. So are we ready? And what we're trying to do, remember everyone, we're trying to go to a place called Candyville. So let's shut down our eyes. And on the count of 3, let's do our magic spell. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Learning, loving, laughing. Let's make some magic happen. Oh my goodness! Everyone, you did it. You must have really put your heart into it. We are at Candyville. This place is so sweet. It's amazing. There's candy everywhere. How cool is this, Miss Mila? Is this place sweet or what? This place is so special. All right, everyone. Great work. Now, are y'all ready to make a candy house and get some learning done? All right, well, let's go over our shapes first, and then we'll move on to this fun candy house. All right, let's clap for shapes and sweet candy houses. All right, everyone, now that we're in Candyville, what's right here? We've got some bins with some interesting objects on the front. These are called shapes, everyone. And I want to let you know that in each bin, there's going to be something that we're going to use for our candy houses. There's going to be one thing in each one of these bins that's going to be used to make our candy house. All right, so be on the lookout for the one thing. Now, Miss Mila, what color is this bin?
Purple.
Purple. And what is on the front of this bin?
A circle.
A circle, that's right. And what do we have in this bin? Not that yet. What is that, everyone?
Ball.
A purple ball, that's right. And Miss Mila, what is this?
A clown.
A smiley face or a clown, that's right. And these are both circles. And Miss Mila, can you pull the next thing out and show everyone out there what these are? Everyone, these are, what are they, Miss Mila?
M&M.
M&Ms. And these M&Ms are going to be used for our candy house, and they're circles as well. Now, moving right along, we've got, what color is this bin?
Orange.
Orange. And what's on the front?
A triangle.
A triangle, that's right. And, ooh, what do we have in here? What's this?
Pizza.
Pizza, and yeah, and what does that look like, everyone? A triangle, right? And What does it look like, everyone? It looks like a triangle, right? Oh, sorry. And one more thing in here. Can you pull the other thing out, Miss Mila? Oh, those are fun. Can you pull the whole bowl out? There we go. And what is this, everyone? These are called candy corns. These look like triangles as well. They're going to be used for our candy house.
I don't like them.
You don't like them? Too sweet, huh? Okay. Now, what color is this bin, Miss Mila?
Yellow.
And what's on the front of that?
A
Square.
square.
A square, that's right. And, oh, what do we have in here? Do you know what this says? It says, love you. That's right. I love you, Miss Mila. And that is a square. And we've got another square. And everyone, this has got stars in there. It says shoot for the stars. And one more item that will be used for our candy house. What is in here, Miss Mila?
Starburst.
Starburst. And look, they're the shape of a square. All right. Go ahead, little Miss Mila. And moving right along, we've got blue bin. And what's on the front of the blue bin?
A triangle.
A rectangle?
A rectangle.
A rectangle, that's right. And we've got a book. It's got lip prints and says XOXO, one of our favorite books because we love kisses and hugs. And, ooh, and this is a rectangle. And we've got, this looks like chocolate, right everyone? This is a rectangle. And it's a pen pouch. Awesome. And Miss Mila, what is this?
A Pop-Tart.
Pop-Tart! Yes, that's right. And this is the shape of a rectangle. And that is going to be for our candy house. And one more shape. What is that, Miss Mila?
A heart.
And what color?
Red.
Yes, and what do we have in here? We've got a heart shaped. Do you know what this is?
No.
That's a little heart container for jewelry. Oh, and we've seen these before. What about some heart glasses?
I don't want to wear them.
No, well, you don't have to. And then we have got some heart lollipops for our candy house. Right? All right, so we have got one more time. Circle, triangle, square, a rectangle, and heart, everyone. Now for the fun part, are y'all ready to make a candy house? Then let's get to it! Okay, everyone, are we ready to build a sweet-shaped candy house? Then let's get to it. Now the ingredients we have here. So let's go over all of our ingredients for our sweet-shaped candy house. We've got a Pop-Tart right here, which is a rectangle. We have got M&Ms, which are a circle, right, Miss Mila? We've got candy corn, which is what, Miss Mila? Triangle? Triangle. We've got heart candy, which is heart. And we've got Starburst, which are squares. Now, are we ready to build this candy house? Yes, Miss Mila? Then let's do it. Okay, now that we've gone over all of our ingredients, are y'all ready for the really fun part? Let's get to it. Now we've got to put all of these Pop-Tart pieces together. Can you help me, Miss Mila? We're going to use some frosting. Okay, and we are going to line this up along the sides. And we are going to build a house, right? So Mila, and actually as we are doing this,
It looks like balloon.
right? So stay right there. Okay, so can you come here and hold the pieces? Help me hold the pieces. And actually, everyone, let's go ahead and use some magic right here. And let's go ahead and see if we can make the house just appear with magic. Ready? Let's shut down our eyes. Learn and love and laugh, and let's make some magic happen. Oh! We did it, everyone! Look at our magic candy house! That's awesome, right, Miss Mila? Now for the really fun part, let's use our shapes and put our sweet shapes on our little candy house, okay?
Okay.
All right, so you know how to do this?
No.
Well, here's a little icing. And we just start going along, okay? So you ready to, here, I'll hand you some of those. We are using circles, M&Ms. Let's just line that up. There we go, good stuff. All right, we've got some Starburst. And now what do you want our next sweet shape to be?
This one.
The hearts?
Yeah.
All right, and where do you want the hearts to go, Miss Mila?
Right here.
Okay, so let's give you some icing. Oh, and everyone, we are using icing to stick everything together. Okay, and we are now putting our hearts, and hearts can go anywhere on a sweet shape magic house, right?
I'm getting to the sleep.
And now our next shape is candy corns.
Yeah.
You want to put this somewhere? Okay. All right, and these, the candy corns, remember everyone, are triangles. And here is our fun, sweet shape candy house. That is so delightful and so cute. Good work. Now it's story time. We will be reading from Learning with Lovie's Live Lessons book. And today's story is about truth. Truth starts with a T, T, and that is spelled T-R-U-T-H. Do you know what that word means, the truth? Telling the truth. It means telling what really happened without trying to hide anything. There once was a circle named Cindy and a square named Sammy. Cindy and Sammy were hanging out at Cindy's house, and they were doing what shapes do, being square and round. And all of a sudden there was a loud crashing noise. Cindy's mom came rolling into the room, because that's what circles do, and saw that the cookie jar had crashed onto the floor. She said, "What happened in here, Cindy and Sammy?" Sammy did it. He rolled over there to the table and knocked it so hard that the cookie jar fell off. Sammy said, "I didn't do it. I didn't do nothing like that. I can't roll like you can, Cindy. I'm a square." Cindy was caught. She wasn't being truthful. Cindy was the only one other than her mom that could roll into the table because she was a circle. Cindy's mom said to Cindy, "Cindy, we know you rolled into the table as you are a circle just like me. You didn't tell the truth. The breaking the cookie jar, as long as it was an accident, is okay, as accidents happen in life. The not telling the truth isn't okay, and the lesson here is to know that it is always best to tell the truth, even if the truth might not be so good."
Joke time.
Yes, that's right. It's joke time, funny time, laugh a lot time. Are you ready, Miss Mila? Is everyone out there ready for some funny jokes? And I bet you can't guess that they are about shapes. Joke number one. Miss Mila, what did the square say to the circle? Sure do roll around a lot. Joke number two. What do you call 3 white circles on top of each other? A snowman, sillies! And joke number 3. What is the shape of a triangle, tastes super yummy, and has red circles all over it? Do you know? Pepperoni pizza, everyone! One of our favorites! And Mila, what time is it? It's the end time, everyone! That's all we have time for here on Learning with Lovie. We hope you learned new things, laughed a lot, and loved each other. And speaking of love, why don't you show us a little love by pressing the subscribe button right there, that red button. Just press it, it's free. And then you can find out when our next videos are coming out. And as always, what do we end with, Miss Mila? What do we end with? We end with hugs and kisses.